Hi guys, I'm Johnny Schenberg from startingentrepreneur.com, and in today's video I will talk to you about how to start affiliate marketing. And if you like these kind of informational videos, please subscribe to the channel, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. So today we're going to talk about how to start affiliate marketing and the steps you need to take to make it happen. The first step is to choose your niche, and this step is kind of I can't help you so much with that one. This is you need to choose what you are interested in or have a passion about. That's it, pretty important that you like the niche you are choosing, because otherwise you will probably not produce very good content if you don't have a passion or at least like what you're doing. So that's important. Like your niche. And the next step is to research different affiliate networks or affiliate programs. The ones that I can recommend is Clickbank.com and Amazon.com. They are it is two really good affiliate programs. But you can research others. Just Google search affiliate programs, and you find a lot of them. And you want to choose a product that is it's a really good product. Don't choose the product just because it has a high commission. Because if it's a bad product, no one will buy it from you, or you will have a lot of refunds. So that's important, that it's a good product. And how do you know it's a good product? Well, buy the product. That's the easiest way to find out. And if it's an expensive product you don't want to buy, but I still recommend you buy it. But otherwise you can go to YouTube and search for the product, and you find maybe you can find reviews about the product. So that's how you can see if it's a good product or not. And the third step is to build your homepage. And to be able to build your homepage, you must have a domain name. You can buy domain names from different registrar, but the one that I use is Siteground. Siteground.com, and this is a really good one. Obvious, that's why I use it. So you go to Siteground.com, add services, choose domain name, and here you have to come up with a domain name that you think is good for your site. So if you're in the dog niche, maybe you want to call your website dogworld.com, for an example. Then you type dogworld and you click the little arrow and you press com, and you see if that's available, or what the name you want. So just type the name you want, and .com, I recommend that you choose .com, and check domain. And if it's not available, you have to choose another one and search until you find a good one. And then you must have, when you have bought your domain name, you must have hosting. And Siteground provides hosting as well. So they have different, you can choose from startup. Then you can use one website, 10,000 visitors per month. If you choose the Grow Big, you have multiple websites, 25,000 visitors per month. So that's up to you how, if you just, if you know that you just are going to have one website, start with this one. Then when you have chosen your domain, you want to connect that with a WordPress site so you can build your homepage. And I think you will be asked if you want to set up it with a WordPress site, and then you just follow the steps. If it is anything you don't understand when you are setting up your website, your WordPress site, just click this support button and they will help you. They have a really good support. So the next step is to, when you have set up your WordPress site, you must have some content on the site. So the next step is for you to produce good content. And how do you do that? And what is good content? What are people searching for? That is the question. And if you just go to Google, you can Google search, if you are in the dog niche, for an example, just search how can I get my dog and then you press, and you see here Google will tell you some ideas. How can I get my dog to stop licking his paws, for an example? And that is actually what people are searching for. So Google is just giving you some ideas. So you can, for an example, start with how can I get my dog a passport? That might be a blog post. How can I get my dog a rabies certificate? And so on. This is all content ideas you can write about. And then we can go on with B. I'm sorry. How can I get my dog back? If you have lost your dog, that's a good question. How can I get my dog back from shelter? C. How can I get my dog certified? How can I get my dog cloned? And so on. You can go through the whole alphabet. So this is how you can come up with some good content ideas. And this is actually what people are searching for. But you don't know how many that are searching for a specific question. Keyword search tools, of course. So keyword search tools. Keyword search tools. So if you just search for keyword search tools, then you get a lot of them. In here you have both free keyword search tools and the ones that you have to pay for. But I think you can start out with the free ones. It's okay. So you just get an idea how many people that are searching for a certain question. Because in the beginning it's not the whole world if you do write blog posts about something that no one searches for. But in the long run, of course you want to write articles about what people are searching for, and many people are searching for. So at least a good amount of people. So, and when you have written maybe 10, 12 blog posts and you have some audience, and that's the whole idea about writing blog posts. That is to build your audience. So when you have people searching for your contents, and that's the whole idea about writing content. That is to build your audience and write good content that people will read. Because if no one reads your articles, then it's why write them? So write good articles. And then we come to the step that is when you the step when you're promoting your products. And when you have written a lot of good quality content articles, and you have your audience, and then we have come to the step where you will promote your affiliate products, and you will put your affiliate link into the article. And of course the article must be congruent with the product that you will promote. So you put your link in there and people will click on it and you will make a commission. And of course you want to capture their email address so you can promote to them over and over again. So that's basically how you do it. And when you have captured their email address, you can promote to them over and over again. And but just because you have their email address doesn't mean that you can spam your mailing list. You have to provide good content even when you have them on your list. I think that is basically everything. That's not obviously not everything, but to get your feet wet, this is the 6th step you need to take to get going with affiliate marketing. 1, choose your niche. 2, research different affiliate marketing affiliate programs. 3, build your site. 4, produce good content. 5, promote your affiliate product, build an audience and promote your affiliate product. So this is the six simple steps that you have to take in order to start your affiliate marketing. And it's not really that hard to start out and do these 6 steps. But if you think you are a little bit confused, you can click the link below, and then you have everything laid out for you. So check that out if you feel that you are a little bit lost. That's all for affiliate marketing. How to start affiliate marketing. And I hope it was that you learned something, and it was a good video. If you think it was, please give it a thumbs up. So this was all for this video, and there is an upcoming webinar on the 3rd of December, I think it was. Yeah, the 3rd of December. So anyway, you click the link in the description below to check it out. Don't miss out on this one, because this is going to be really good. Please don't miss that one. It's a free webinar, it doesn't cost anything. So click the link below and sign up for the webinar. Don't miss it. It's a free one, so sign up for it. And that's all for this video. I think I covered it all. And if you think this video was good, so please give it a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.